The following message is transmitted at the request of the Food and Drug Administration and the Baltimore Police Department. Multiple reports have come in that certain candy brands in people's Easter baskets have been contaminated with an unknown virus. These brands include Mini Eggs, Cream Eggs, Mars Bars, Maynard's Sports Mix, Galaxy and Maltesers. Symptoms from eating these candies are nausea, vomiting, farting loudly, acting like a brat, tiredness, shivering and most certainly death. If you or any loved ones experience any of these symptoms, call 911 immediately and rush to the nearest hospital or doctor for treatment. If you haven't eaten these, put them in a box and the National Guard will take it to an undisclosed location. Don't throw the candy in the garbage as it needs to be exposed properly. An administrative message from the Center of Disease Control. A cure for the contaminated candy has been developed and 700 people were cured. 2,000 people died. Anyone who is still sick will be cured in the next 2 minutes. However, the contamination is still active and anyone who eats candy will become sick, but the contamination will go away in the next 60 seconds. We will now return to normal programming.